Hey, today we're going to do easy and quick quesadillas. The first thing you need to do is get you some chicken breast, season it to taste, and add some bell pepper and onion. You can also add mushrooms. Wrap it up. You're going to put it in the oven on 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes or until tender. You're going to get a fork and shred your meat. Then after you do that, go ahead and prepare your griddle. I'm using vegan butter. Get your tortilla shells, put your cheese on there, add your chicken. And if it were me, I would probably put some more cheese on top just so that the top of the shell can stick with the cheese. And then let it cook until golden brown, and then you're gonna flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. And voila, you got your quick quesadillas. Again, you can add mushrooms, more bell pepper, onions. You might have to flip it several times, but nevertheless, you have some quesadillas. Thank you guys.